Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about 5 dangerous places to visit in India. These places are not for faint-hearted. If you are scared, then you can also watch a video in above that there are unexplored places in India. These places are not scared, but they are mostly unexplored, means that people are not visited much there. Dras in Jammu Kashmir, often known as the gateway to Ladakh. Dras is the second oldest inhabited region on the planet, at an altitude of approximately 10,500 feet above the ground. You can always feel an icy chill in the air. The temperature often drops as low as minus 45 degrees Celsius, and the lowest temperature recorded here was minus 60 degrees Celsius. This town in Jammu and Kashmir came into limelight after being attacked during the Kargil War in 1999. Currently, Dras is heavily guarded by militants. The intense beauty of this quaint little mountain village with its frosty temperature is what it makes this one mysteriously tempting to venture into. Treat your eyes with jaw-dropping pictures of Dras Valley that will intrigue you to leap for this alluring destination right away. Dumas Beach. Dumas Beach is in the state of Gujarat. It is known for its beautiful sea and black sand. The beach situated along the Arabian Sea was previously a burial site for the Hindus. It is believed that after burning, the ashes of the dead bodies have mixed with the sand. Hence, Dumas Beach has a black sand like nowhere else in the world. During the daytime, this beach is no different from others with an influx of visitors. However, the night scenes are totally different. After sunset, there is an airy vibe that and local government has strictly prohibited individuals from roaming around the beach. No wonder Dumas Beach is considered as one of the most dangerous places in our country. Gurez Valley, located at a distance of approximately 130 kilometers from Srinagar, Gurez Valley is a beautiful amalgamation of landscapes, mountains, and rivers. It sits deep in the Himalayas, and many of the travelers are unaware of this hidden gem even today. Due to its close proximity to the line of control, this place is extremely unsafe and volatile. Not only the enemy poses threat, but also there are reports of stray landmines having blown people off. In addition, Gurez Valley is also prone to avalanches that kill many people in the region, including a few soldiers. It is said that the has experienced 80 landmines in 3 days. However, a danger of this terminated zone is offset by the incredible scenic beauty. Kuldhara, the desert village of Kuldhara, was once home to the community of Pallival Brahmins. It is believed that all Indians fled overnight and were never seen again. They abandoned their homes and didn't come back. However, the most striking part is no one saw them leaving Kuldhara. Even today, it is unknown where the Pallivals have resettled. It is said that the village is cursed and never would anyone be able to settle here again. The houses are in the same conditions when the inhabitants left the town. The curse of Kuldhara and the airiness in the air often leaves the travelers curious. This site is maintained by the Archaeological Survey of India, and tourists are only allowed in the broad daylight. Rohtang Pass is a high-altitude mountain pass at the height of 13,054 feet above the sea level. This pass connects Kulu to Lahore and Spiti and promotes access to Leh. Hence, Rohtang Pass is strategically important for country. It is one of the highest roads and poses a challenge to the vehicle that passes through. The narrow winding bends, sudden snowfall, unpredictable landslides and blizzards keep it with the reputation of one of the most dangerous places in India. However, the raw beauty of Rohtang Pass enclosed in snow-clad mountain ridges is a sight to behold. The pass is open from the month of May to November and is so dangerous that the Indian government has constructed Atal Road Tunnel. Now no one needs to go through the Rohtang Pass.